gozaimasu. Ohayo minasamá. Baba. Wow. YouTube. Before going to sleep, YouTube. When she wakes up, YouTube. Ate, look at Ate. Actually, Ate is already awake, but ew, look at your bear, Te. Ate's bear looks so ewy. Ewy, wait. Wait, unggoy. It's almost 11 now and we are still in bed. And I'm hungry, I want to eat. Yeah, maybe let's go downstairs now. It's breakfast. It's breakfast. What's that? So it's Sunday today, and we got so tired last night, and maybe we will just go to church later because we did not went to church early today because we were so tired, and I think I'm having a sore throat or something because my throat really hurts right now. So yeah, let's eat breakfast, guys.
These two were so busy. Let's check. Oh,
I'm watching.
see again. What about this other monkey? Oh, you're making those YouTuber rich because you're always wow, Clash of Clans color. Ikaw, mother. Oh, that's
Eating pan with cookies.
poopy. Let's turn this. We're going to Gaisano Capital. Me and Sashi only. And I'm waiting for her. She's brushing her teeth. So yeah. And let's eat papaya with vinegar. Kangan mo pag nakurat? Yeah, ma'am. Tastes weird because I just brushed my teeth. Hi, Daddy. So we're going to Gaisano Capital, and it's just the two of us. And yeah, we're just walking. We saw a tricycle earlier, but we're too late, so we need to walk outside. Like, I don't know how yeah. Diba, Day? Wow, so hangin. Yeah, we need like to walk 5 minutes only. Yeah, until outside. It's such a pretty day today. Actually, it's actually almost 12, but it's not hot. It's so gloomy and windy, so it's alright to walk. Yeah, it looks like it's still early in the morning, but no, it's not. It's almost noon and it's already gloomy. Yeah, it's still gloomy like it's a morning. So we're almost on the road, so see you later. Wala eh. Di ba nagkawatan good? Ouch, ouch, ouch! We're riding the tricycle now. Di ba, Day? Wow, the lighting looks so good. Nobody's here. Okay. Sano, here we go. Wow, so rocky road. Rocky road. Capital. At Gaisano Capital. Do the jingle dive. Wow. That girl though. Yep. Wow, nice kay siya upuan. Na side, iyahang ka ng hairdo. So we are looking for glue stick. Where's the glue stick? That's a glue stick. Huh? Yeah, we're here and I bought a acetone and a nail polish with me. Wow, that's a new Hyundai. Wow, such a... What is written there? Don't worry, be happy. Look at me, I'm happy. Kaya may fish taps up. Day. Yesterday, we went to Colonnade and I filmed video and then nakasabaan ko. We're here at Gaisano Capital. Yeah, I don't know if I will get busted filming here again. But I don't know. This is not the grocery. Yeah. Gaisano Capital. So Shashi is... We're looking for a blouse for her birthday. But this is not intentional going here at Gaisano Capital. We wanted to buy glue stick. Wow, this is such a good angle shoe. I have... So we're inside the fitting room and Sashi is fitting some clothes, pants. Whoa, my money. Fitting room. Ew, I look so gross back there. I'm waiting for her. So Sashi's done. She's done. She fitted all of this, clothes. This. And she did not like any because she could not fit any. Hindi ba dahil? Wow! Barbecue pag may time. This is the beautiful.
Ngayon.
Gusto baga beautiful. Wow.
Yan.
Last one na. Where are the others? OMG, I cannot wait to eat na. Yay! This is our lunch and I'm excited because I haven't eaten barbecue for a while. Wow, me?
Yeah.
By yours truly, Mr. Morton. Wow. Father, come here na. Yeah. Oh my God. This is our lunch and we have sausawan. And hey guys, so my hair is so messy and it looks so bright. Oh, by the way, I'm trying my clip-on lens that I got super like way before. Hi ba? But I was still busy doing Minecraft, Roblox, and YouTube. Yeah, she's still busy doing those, and I'm trying my clip-on lens that I got a long time ago. I think I got this one like last March when we are about to come home here in the Philippines, and I haven't really used this one in lately. I wanted to use the back camera of my iPhones because it produces more it produces good quality compared to the front camera on the iPhone. So I'm trying to find a way to make the footage like more wide angle, because if I'm going to use the back camera, probably you will just only see this part of my face, just my face, not up to here. So, and then I figured that I have a lens like this, and I totally forgot about this lens actually, because when we got home everything was just so forgotten. And there are a lot of things still unpacked and missed, and I don't know where are they. And I'm happy that I found this. I found where I put this lens, and yeah, I think my footage right now looks little brighter and not so grainy, less grainy when I'm using this one. If I'm going to compare it with just using the lens from the iPhone, so I think it's less grainy. Yeah, and much brighter too, and much wider angle as well. So that's the one that I trying, because I wanted my footage to be more brighter, especially at night. During the day, it doesn't matter because the sun's so bright and there's enough lighting, but during nighttime, it's more darker. And even though all the lights are lit, still it looks darker compared to daytime. So I wanted really something that could help me enhance the lighting footage on my videos. So yeah, I figured I have that lens that I bought before. Yeah, and now I'm testing it out and I'm so happy I still have it. It's not lost. So yeah, I think that's it. It's so exciting. And also I wanted to say good night now, guys, because I wanted to rest early, but I'm not gonna sleep yet. I want to do something. I need to do something first, so I need to sign off early from YouTube land. So yes, I hope you had a wonderful day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I do hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you also in the next one. Love you always, guys. Peace.